The 2017 Western Australian state election was held on Saturday 11 March 2017 to elect members to the Parliament of Western Australia, including all 59 seats in the Legislative Assembly and all 36 seats in the Legislative Council. The 8.5-year two-term incumbent Liberal Washington National Government, led by Premier Colin Barnett, was defeated in a landslide by the Labor opposition, led by Opposition Leader Mark McGowan. Labor won 41 of the 59 seats in the Legislative Assembly, a 12-seat majority. This was Washington Labor's strongest performance in a state election at the time and formed the largest majority government and seat tally in Western Australian parliamentary history until that point. Additionally, Labor exceeded all published opinion polling, winning 55.5% of the two-party preferred vote from a state record landslide 12.8-2 party swing. It was the worst defeat of a sitting government in Western Australia, as well as one of the worst defeats of a sitting state or territory government since Federation. Labor also became the largest party in the Legislative Council with 14 of the 36 seats. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.